Hey guys. Alright, so I'm going to do a quick rundown on how to import assets into VAM. First things first, download Unity. The thing is, you need Unity 2018.1.9 F2 or older. Why? I do not know enough about Unity to explain it, but if you don't have this version or older versions, it won't work. Hopefully somebody else can explain it sometime better than I can, but I know you need this. Second thing you need is the Unity Asset Bundle browser. This is what allows you to create the package for VAM. So we're going to run over to free3d.com and download an asset. We'll just do this little dumpster for an example. When we download it, we see it's got a 3DS. I've seen other formats work. They might be a little bit more complicated, but hopefully you can use this as a springboard to learn more. So we go ahead and download that asset, and oops. Okay, and then we're going to go into Unity and create a new project. Alright, now that we've got our project going up, we need to prepare our scene to get it ready for a VR export, I guess you want to call it. This always takes forever. Okay, so first thing we want to do is we go in and we delete our main camera and our directional light so we can have the lighting in VAM do all its special little effects. Next thing, project settings, player. Then we want to change our color space to linear. And then we go to XR settings and we turn on VR support. And we change this to single pass. Okay, so now we got our space set up. So now we take our asset bundle browser that we downloaded. You can find it on GitHub. But we take these and drop it right in to our Unity asset window right here. Next thing, we take our dumpster and we drop this in our Unity asset window too. Make sure you hit inside this little box. So take a look at our dumpster. See, we got our FBX right here, and then we got our 3DS right here. Go ahead and move our 3DS file right in. And, that might be a bit big. So, we go and we export the base female from VAM into, there we go. So we take one of our base female objects, we'll use this one, drop that into our Unity window. Nope, I put it in the wrong folder, but it doesn't matter. And I'm going to pop her in the scene. Now, let's make sure they're aligned right. So we take our position, 0, 0, 0. Select our dumpster, 0, 0, 0. Ah, there she is. Okay, so now we got our dumpster, and under Model, hit Select, Scale Factor. Let's say 0.5. Still a bit big. Let's knock it down some more. Yeah, Hey, it's about perfect. Nice. Okay, so the reason we imported the female was to get a scale. Just get an idea of the size to make sure that we're not too big. Let's make it just a tiny bit smaller. Yeah, it works. Then we go ahead and delete our female. Awesome. Now, let's make this thing look good. We're going to right-click inside our asset window, create material, and see our little textures right here. We got a texture map and a normal map. This came with our little download, and so we're going to select our new material and then drag this into the albedo, however you want to pronounce it, window, and then we drag our normal map and drop it in right here. Not marked as a normal map. Click now. Now that we have our texture, go ahead and drag it and drop it on our asset. And hey, look, there's the dumpster. Okay, we're pretty much done here. We're going to go up to Window, Asset Bundle Browser. If this isn't showing, you didn't drag and drop the Asset Bundle Browser files to the right place. So now we got this in. Oop, I skipped a step. Let's go ahead and close this. So we're going to select our dumpster file, save scene as. Now we have the Unity file. Now we bring up our Asset Bundle Browser, and we're just going to drag this guy and drop him right here. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. I still skipped a step. Dumpster. Generate colliders. Don't forget this. I almost did. Okay, now go ahead and save it one more time just to be sure. Drag and drop. Go ahead and drag and drop, and then we click build. I forgot where that's at. I'm gonna go ahead and just change that to this folder. Okay, so here is our Unity file that we can use for VAM. Let's go ahead and move it. Oh, clicked on the wrong one. Let's go ahead and just, actually, you know what? Drop it in where we want it, and the last thing we need to do is rename the file. We need to add .asset bundle and we're good to go. So now we should be able to, oh, I clicked on the wrong one. I didn't want the VR version. Sorry for my few silly mistakes, guys. It's kind of late at night, and I am running on fumes. Alright, here's a pre-setup scene. We're going to select us a custom Unity asset. And there you go. That easy, that quick. Alright, hopefully that helps you guys, and I'm doing this for entirely selfish reasons because everything you make, every success that you pull off, share to the community. We must grow. Hopefully this helps you guys out. Talk to you later.